Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to write text in Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So the first thing that we're going to do is open Adobe Acrobat and then sign in to your account. You can sign in with Google, with Facebook, with Apple, and with your Adobe account. I'm going to click on sign in with Google. And then you can choose any Google account that you have to use it to sign into your account. After that, go ahead and click on continue. Continue again. You're going to have this message to allow notifications. Click on allow, continue. And then from here, you can choose if you want the premium plan. If you don't want, you can click on not now. And then you're going to be right here. So right now, make sure that you are in the home page. And then in the bottom right corner, you're going to find this little plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. And then from here, you can either open a file, get Adobe Scan, edit PDF, create PDF, or combine files. The edit PDF and create and combine, you can't have them with the free plan. You can only open a file or get Adobe Scan. So for example, I'm going to click on the plus and then click on open file. And from here, you can choose recent on this device and so on. I'm going to click on recent and then click on this file, for example. If you want to write text in Adobe Acrobat, here in the bottom, you're going to find text. Go ahead and click on it. And then you need to tap the document to add text. For example, I'm going to add it right here. And all you need to do, guys, right now is write the text. And as you can see, guys, this is how you can do it. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.